Today I'm going to share with you a book called The Duckling Gets a Cookie. The Duckling Gets a Cookie. Words and Pictures by Mo Willems. Hello? Scooty, scoot, scoot, scoot. May I have a cookie, please? Oh! Thanks! Flappy flip flap. That was very nice of you. Oh, look at all those nuts. Hey! How did you get that cookie? I asked for it. You asked for it? Politely. So does that cookie have nuts? Yes. So you got a cookie with nuts just by asking? Politely. I ask for things all the time. I ask to drive the bus. I ask for hot dog parties. Do I ask for candy? I do. It doesn't have to be a big bus, you know. I'll ask for a French fry robot every now and then. I've asked for a walrus. Right now I'm asking why. Why? Oh, there's more. Sometimes I ask for a hug, or I'll ask for one more story. I can't count the times I've asked for my own personal iceberg. I asked to stay up late. Oh yeah, I'm the askingest pigeon in town. But do I get what I asked for? No! It's not fair. Flappy flip flip. Ducklings get everything. Pigeons like cookies too, especially with nuts. Why did you get that cookie? So I could give it to you. And another thing. Hubba what? You're giving me that cookie? With the nuts. That is so nice. Thank you very much. That is one cool duckling. Yes, sir. Bye. May I have another cookie, please? But this time, no nuts.